the PCB. This is the plate. It's an FR4 plate. Oh, I forgot to put the plate in the build command. And then these are the switches we're using today. These are from InvoKeys. They are the purple rice switches. Oh, it comes with like a little... The packaging is very cute. What's up, Bert? Yeah, I really like it. Okay. Heck, I don't know how people think this is a food desert. Ava, you make it sound like you have like no good food options near you. How do I open this? Okay, well I need to do stabs first. Let's see. My mouse is charging. I think it comes with stabs. What's this? An unmarked black box. Surely... Oh. Is this the cable? Oh. It's... Oh, it comes with like a cable. And there's like a screwdriver and like a little switch. There's a keycap and switch puller, but I don't really suggest this because the wires sometimes bork your keycaps. Wait, when did you make that command, Avo? How about moving somewhere better like San Francisco? Shonies, why did you spell out the whole thing? Because my back hurts and I waited 2 weeks to get groceries? Oh. Isn't it cheaper to get them delivered to you? Or like do pickup? Like last week? I can't. Okay. Oh, stabs! Nice. And it comes with a little dongle. So... if you want... Wait, what is... Why is the dongle looking like a USB? Why won't this little bag open? Hello? What? What? Fuck you. Last time I got groceries delivered, the lady made me carry them up all the way up the stairs while I was sick. Avo, have you never heard of putting in a complaint? Just been like, those bags suck, lol. Stitch, do you understand? Oh! Oh, wait. What? Why is there a USB... Why is there a USB-C hole? Why is there a USB-C hole? For the dongle. What's that? I kinda don't know. Adapter for wireless? So like you plug this in. Extender? Oh. Extender? Oh, leave it in there. Shipped membership, very worth. Sometimes they put my cat litter right outside the door when I answer. You trying to take a Why you trying to take a trip to South Core? What city? Seoul? No, we have to go to the countryside. Leave it in there and you connect the USB to the computer. Huh? Okay, anyways. Not sure what... I know that this is the dongle, but I guess this is just an extender. Oh. Okay. Things I don't know about tri-mode. I want to go where Teja's grandparents were in that video. Oh, the countryside? Extend the range of your keyboard in case there's interference. Okay. Well, that's fancy. Okay, then we have feet and extra screws. What's this? What's this thing? Why are these bags sealed shut? Hello?